Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to warp text into 3D shapes and create such cool and amazing designs. This is a very simple technique which you can use in Adobe Illustrator and create amazing designs based on the shape you choose. Today we are going to see how to do this using an ellipse and create a donut 3D design as I have done. Okay, so let's get started. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, press the subscribe button along with the bell icon so that you don't miss out on such amazing videos. First thing that I'm going to do is type out my text. There are a few things that we need to keep in mind here. First thing is to choose a very simple word or a sentence that has only 2 to 3 words so that it doesn't become complicated when we warp it around the shape. Along with that, we are going to choose a very simple font for this. Also, we need to keep in mind that we need to type it in a repetitive manner as I have done so that it covers the whole shape around. Let's go ahead and fast forward this step now. Now, once you are done typing the text, you can select all the text and you can group it either using the shortcut Control Command G or by going to Object and Group. Next thing is to convert this into symbol. For that, we go to Windows, and once you scroll down, you will see a symbol option. Click on that. And you can click on the text that you have typed, drag and drop it in the symbols panel. It will ask you for the name. You can give any name you want, and you can see it's added in the symbols panel. Now we move on to our shape. Since we are going about with an ellipse or a donut shape, we are going to go to the shapes panel and draw an ellipse over here. Keep in mind, you can choose any shape you want. The procedure, the steps are the same. Once my ellipse is drawn, I'm going to go to effects and I'm going to go ahead and go to the classic option. I'm going to go to the revolve classic. And over here, I'm going to go ahead and play around with the options here. Now, the most important thing here is the offset option because that helps to create the donut shape. If you don't want a donut shape, you can go ahead without any offset. I'm going to arrange it a bit so that the donut is visible in a better way. Once I am happy with the donut shape and how it looks, now comes the warping part. This one is really interesting. So what we are going to do is we are going to go to the map art option. We click on it and you can see the symbol option on the top. You can go ahead, click on that, and you will see your shape as the symbol over there. So you can see your shape, and as soon as you click, it's added. Over here we are not able to still see it as preview because my design is also black and my text is also black. So I'm going to go ahead and click on invisible geometry, and now my shape is not visible, only my text is warped around the design and it is visible. You can play around with the design, the text, how you want it to look, and once you are happy with it, you can go ahead and click OK. Our donut design is done here, but since it has no colors, it's not looking so good. So let's see how we can apply colors. So I'm going to go back to the first step and I'm going to take my text and change the color of the text. So you don't have to add it to symbols panel again, since you change it here and gets automatically changed in the symbols panel as well. Now I'm going to repeat all the same steps as we did before, and you'll see you'll have colors this time. The only change I'm going to do is not click on invisible geometry, since I want the black color of the donut to also be visible. And see how beautiful it looks with both the contrasting colors. You can go around and play with the colors. You can change the color of the text and it will automatically change in the symbols panel. You can see how beautiful this is looking. You can create so many different shapes using squares, polygons, and use this text effect to create amazing designs as well. So we have come to the end of this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel until now, subscribe so that you don't miss out on amazing videos ahead. I hope you all enjoyed this video and you found it helpful and useful. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this. I'll be back again soon with an amazing video for you all again. Till then, take care. Bye.